Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean and maintain your hearing aids, and also I'll recommend my top best hearing aids in the market today. Now, it's important to keep your hearing aids dry, as moisture can damage the electronic components of the device, so be sure to avoid exposing them to excessive humidity, water, or sweat. Also, you should remove the hearing aids before showering, swimming, or exercising, and store them in a dry and ventilated case. Additionally, you should clean them regularly. You can use a soft, dry cloth or a special cleaning tool offered by the manufacturer to wipe the surface of your hearing aids and remove earwax, dirt, or debris. However, it is important to be gentle and avoid using water, alcohol, or harsh chemicals that can damage your hearing aids. Now, another important aspect of maintaining your hearing aids is replacing the batteries. Hearing aid batteries usually last for 7 days or a week, depending on the size and usage. And so when the battery runs low or dies, replace it with a fresh one or the same type of voltage. And finally, it's a good idea to have your hearing aids professionally cleaned and inspected by a licensed audiologist or hearing healthcare professional at least once a year, or more often if you notice any issues or changes in your hearing. Now, if you're looking for a proper hearing aid, then you come to the right place, as I have made a list of the top 3 best hearing aids to help you make an informed decision and help you out. And so I've been testing many different hearing aid services, and I've narrowed it down to Jabra Enhance, MD Hearing, and Hear.com as the best 3 services overall. Each one of them comes with its own set of hearing aids, as well as varied prices and clear features that set them apart from each other. Additionally, each caters to your own particular lifestyle and preferences, but you need to take into consideration many factors before choosing the best one for you, and that's why I'll be explaining each one thoroughly. Starting with Jabra Enhance, and this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for a hearing aid with a wide range of features. Now, their enhanced hearing aids are designed to offer a premium listening experience, as they are discreet and easy to use with a range of features like customizable sound settings, voice assistant integration, and gesture controls that can be customized to individual needs. Also, the Jabra Enhance hearing aids use advanced noise reduction technology to filter out background noise and enhance speech clearly. They also come with a companion app that allows users to adjust settings and access additional features, which allows for customization of sound settings and the ability to stream music and phone calls directly to the hearing aids, and has Bluetooth connectivity. And so if you're someone with mild to moderate hearing loss that wants a premium hearing aid with tons of features but don't mind paying a bit extra for them, Jabra Enhance is my top recommendation for you. Next up, we have MD Hearing, which will be the best budget option, and while they are designed to be easy to use and accessible to everyone, they may not offer the same level of customization and features as Jabra Enhance. However, they do offer a wide range of hearing aids at an affordable price point without requiring any prescription or professional fitting. They are also designed to amplify speech and reduce background noise, making them ideal for people who need help in social situations. However, you can only order MD Hearing online, which can be an issue for those who like to see and try their hearing aids. Ultimately, if you are on a tight budget, suffering from mild to moderate hearing loss, and still want an easy-to-use hearing aid with the basic features, then MD Hearing is your go-to choice, as they offer an excellent combination of affordability and convenience. And then lastly, we have Hear.com. Now, Hear.com is the best option if you want personalized solutions and over-the-phone consultations. So with a consultation and hearing test to assess individual needs, Hear.com offers a personalized recommendation for hearing aids or other hearing solutions depending on your needs. Additionally, Hear.com's hearing aids are also designed to be comfortable and discreet with advanced features like noise reduction and Bluetooth connectivity. Now, one potential downside of Hear.com is that their services may be more expensive than Jabra Enhance and MD Hearing, but unlike the other two, they offer financing options to help make hearing solutions more accessible to everyone. So if you're experiencing mild to severe hearing loss and you just want a concierge type of service at the comfort of your own home and don't mind spending extra money for it, then Hear.com is the best fit to meet your unique individual needs. And so to sum it up, when it comes to finding the right hearing solution, these are the best in the market to consider, as Jabra Enhance, MD Hearing, and Hear.com each offer unique benefits and drawbacks. So it's important to weigh these factors carefully before making a decision. So Jabra Enhance wireless sleek design and a wide range of unique features make them the best option for tech-savvy individuals who are looking for a premium listening experience with advanced features. Now, MD Hearing's affordability and convenience make them the go-to option for those who want an over-the-counter budget solution. And finally, Hear.com's personalized consultation and remote care options make them the top choice for those who prefer a professional guidance in finding the right hearing aid. So that's it for this video. Again, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about them. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.